أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Hafiz Bilal Ahmed and you are watching Learn Quran with Tajweed series. Inshallah, in this class we are going to start Surah Ad-Duha Makkiyah. Before starting this surah, if you didn't subscribe our channel Online Islamic Classes English, so kindly subscribe it and don't forget to click on the bell icon for all the new videos. Now we start Surah Ad-Duha Makkiyah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Wad-Duha. Wad-Duha. Waw we connect with the dad directly, and dad we read in heavy sound. There is isti'la letter. Ha we long due to standing fatha on it, and ya is a silent here when you continue on this place or when you stop. So this standing fatha will be read. So also remember there is a stop sign which is the circle, and the another sign is coming on it. It is lam alif. So it is optional place for you. You can stop or you can continue. The circle sign is saying you have to stop, and the lam alif saying don't stop. Lam alif means do not stop. So that's why this is optional place for us. We have to stop or we have to continue. As we say again, Wad-Duha, and ha sound should be from the middle of the throat. Wad-Duha. وَاللَّيْلِ وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى إِذَا سَجَى وَاللَّيْلِ. Wow we connect with the lam with a strong voice. After the lam there is yaleen. We make soft sound. This is yaleen. Ya is coming with sukun sign, and there is fatha on the before letter. This ya is called yaleen. وَاللَّيْلِ Lay, li, wal-layli, iza. Zal we read in soft sound, and this is alif madda. Alif is coming after fatha sign, we long it. Iza, saja. Sin we read in light sound, and also there will be whistling sound. Jim we long due to standing fatha on it. So we say saja. So we say again, wal-layli iza saja. وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى مَا وَدَّعَكَ مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى وَمَا قَلَى Ma wadda'aka. Ma we long due to alif madda is there. Wadda'aka. Ain we read from the middle of the throat. Kaf we read in light sound. Wadda'aka. And we do not long any letter in this word. Rabbuka. Ra we read in heavy sound. Kaf we read again in light sound. Wama. Alif is madda there. We long here. Qala. Qaf we read in heavy sound due to isti'la letter. And lam we long due to standing fatha on it. This ya is again silent. The standing fatha is coming on the lam. So we say wama qala. So make sure to read heavy sound on the qaf and light sound on the lam. So we say now ma wadda'aka rabbuka wama qala. Walal akhiratu وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى وَلَلْآخِرَةُ. So lam we connect with the lam, lal. Hamza we long due to standing fatha on it. Walal akhi. Kha and ra we read in heavy sound. Ra has a fatha, that's why. And kha is the isti'la letter. Walal akhi. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ. This kha again we read in heavy sound. Ya is a lean. Ra we read again heavy sound. Ra we read again in heavy sound due to double the on it. So we say khayrul laka. And lam and kaf we read in light sound. Khayrul laka minal ula. So minal lam, noon we connect with the lam, and there is waw madda. Waw is coming with sukun sign, and there is dhamma on the before letter. So this waw is waw madda. So we long here one alif, and lam also we long one alif. So we say minal ula. وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى وَلَسَوْفَ. We do not long any letter. Waw is a waw lean. We read softly here. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ. On the ain we read from the middle of the throat and we make soft sound as it has a tawassut quality. Like we do not make too quickly like yu'tika, or similarly we do not read too softly like yu'tika. So but we make only moderation sound like the tawassut quality. So we say yu'tika. Tawa we read in heavy sound and we long also due to ya madda is there. Ya is coming with sukun sign, and there is kasra before the ya. So we say yu'ti, and kaf we read in light sound. Yu'tika Rabbuka. Ra we read in heavy sound. On the ba there is shad sign. We make bit strong wise. Rabbuka. Kaf again we read in light sound. Fatar. Ra we read in heavy sound due to sukun sign on it, and there is fatha on before letter. That's why this ra is heavy. Fatar dwa. Dwad also in heavy sound, and there is standing fatha which we read as well. Fatar dwa. وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَى أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ. So after the mim sakin, the next letter is ya. We make izhar shafawi here, the clear sound of mim. Alam ya jidka. On the dal we make qalqala, which is the weak qalqala. Alam yajidka. Kaf we read in light sound. Yatimau. Ta we long due to ya madda is there, and there is tanween on the mim. After the tanween, the next letter is ikhwa letter, which is fa. So we make the hiding sound of noon as we say yatima fa. So we long also once alif. Fa'awa. This is again standing fatha on the alif. On this, there is a standing fatha on the alif and also the standing fatha on the wa. So both letters we long one alif. Like fa'awa. Now we say all. Alam yajidka yatima fa'awa. Wa wajadak. Alam yajidka yatima fa'awa. And now there is a sword. So this sword is coming. Also this is you have to continue on this place, but you can stop as well due to circle sign. Wawajadaka ضَالًّا فَهَدَى ضَالًّا fahada. Wawajadaka. We do not long any letter in this word. Dhalan. This dhat is in heavy sound we read. Alif is also heavy. So but we long because there is alif is madda. So before the alif there is fatha sign on the dhat. So this alif is madda now. So this mad sign is coming on the madda letter which is alif. So the rule is if after the madda letter the next letter is coming with shadda sign, like with sukoon of shad sign, so at that time we make madde lazim, which is called madde lazim kalmi musaqqal, right? This kalimi means in one word, kalima, like in one word. So after the madda letter, if the shad sign is coming in the same word, so that is kalimi musaqqal means which like shadda sign. That's why this mad is called madde lazim kalmi musaqqal. Like we long this mad almost 3 to, and this mad we long 3 to, and this mad we long 3 to 5 alif. That's why we say dhallan. And after the tanween, the next letter is fa. So we make ikhfa here. We hide the sound of noon, and we say again dhallan fahada. We only long this last letter. There is dal. It has a standing fatha on it. So we say fahada. So now we say all together. وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى. وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَى. Wawajadaka. We do not long any letter in this word. Ailan. So we long here ain due to alif madda is coming, and the mad sign is coming also on the alif madda. And the rule is if after the madda letter, if hamza comes in the same word, that is madde muttasil, we long 3 to 5 alif there. Lan. After the tanween, the next letter is fa. We make ikhfa here as well. So we long and then we make ikhfa. عائلا فأغنى. This ghain we read in heavy sound, and also the continuation of the sound due to rakhawa quality, and noon we long due to standing fatha on it. So we say fa'aghna. Do not make kalkala there, right? Like fa'aghna, agh. That is wrong. So only you have to continue your sound. فَأَغْنَى. And now we say all. وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَى. فَأَمَّا الْيَتِيمَ فَلَا تَقْهَرْ. فَأَمَّل. On the meme there is shad, we make ghunna and we long one alif. فَأَمَّل yatima. This ta we long due to ya madda. فَأَمَّل yatima فَلَا. There is alif madda, we long one alif. فَلَا تَقْهَرْ. On the qaf we make a heavy sound, and also we make qalqala. This is weak qalqala. And on the ra we read in heavy sound as well, because ra has a sukoon sign and there is fatha on the before letter, so this ra will be heavy. And then we say taqhar. فَأَمَّا الْيَتِيمَ فَلَا تَقْهَرْ. وَأَمَّا السَّائِلَ فَلَا تَنْهَرْ. وَأَمَّس. On the meme again we make ghunna on that, because meme has a shadda sign. Meme we connect with the sin then. وَأَمَّس. And this is mad. And this mad again, mad muttasil, after the madda letter, the next letter is Hamza in the same word. So we will say mad muttasil, which we long 3 to 5 alif, as we say wa amma sa'ila fala tanhar. Lam we long due to alif madda. After the noon sakin, the next letter is ha. So we make izhar here, the clear sound of noon. So we say fala tanhar. Tanhar. We do not make gunna like tanhar. That is wrong. So ra also we read in heavy sound. There is a sukun sign on the ra, and before the ra there is fatha. So we say ra in heavy sound now. Fala tanhar. Wa amma sa'ila fala tanhar. Wa amma bini'mati rabbika fahaddith. Wa amma, on the meme again there is shadda sign, we may gunna. Bini'mati, this ain we read in soft sound because this letter has a tawassut quality. That's why we read little bit moderation sound. Bini'mati rabbika. On the ra we read heavy sound, there is fatha on the ra. And kaf we read in light sound. Rabbika fahaddith. This sa we read in soft sound. And also we make the hums quality the continuation of our breath, as we say fahaddith. And now we say again wa amma bi ni'mati rabbika fahaddith. And now we say all together. Listen carefully and then try yourself. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. وَالضُّحَى وَاللَّيْلِ إِذَا سَجَى مَا وَدَّعَكَ رَبُّكَ وَمَا قَلَى وَلَلْآخِرَةُ خَيْرٌ لَكَ مِنَ الْأُولَى وَلَسَوْفَ يُعْطِيكَ رَبُّكَ فَتَرْضَى أَلَمْ يَجِدْكَ يَتِيمًا فَآوَى وَوَجَدَكَ ضَالًّا فَهَدَى وَوَجَدَكَ عَائِلًا فَأَغْنَى فَأَمَّا الْيَتِيمَ فَلَا تَقْهَرْ وَأَمَّا السَّائِلَ فَلَا تَنْهَرْ وَأَمَّا بِنِعْمَةِ رَبِّكَ فَحَدِّثْ. So I hope you understand this surah. If you have any kind of question in this surah, so please leave a message under this video. And if you like this video, so click on the like button and share with your friends. Have a nice time. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.